Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we will solve problem 2 to 5 of miscellaneous exercise on chapter 13, which is limits and derivatives of 11th class math. So let us read the main question here. Here the question is, find the derivative of the following functions. Okay, so we have to find the derivative of the functions which are given. It is to be understood that this a, b, c, d, p, q and s are fixed non-zero constants. Okay, and m and n are integers. Okay, so let us look at the first problem here. This is the problem number 2 of the exercise. Solution: you have to find the derivative of this function. Okay, that means d by dx of plus a. Okay, so this will be equal to what? Now we can take the derivative to both these terms. This is algebra of derivatives. Okay, so we can take this derivative to both these two terms. So we will get d by dx of x plus d by dx of a, right? So derivative of x plus derivative of a. Now derivative of x, how you can calculate this? You have to know it directly. Derivative of x is 1 always. Okay, plus derivative of a is a constant, so derivative of a will be 0. Okay, derivative of a constant is 0, right? So derivative of x plus a is equal to 1 plus 0, which is 1. Okay, this is the answer, right? Derivative of x plus a is equal to 1. Let us move to the next question. So that is problem number 3 here. So you have px plus q bracket open r divided by x plus s. So solution: you have to find the derivative of these two functions, which are the not these two functions, one function which contains product of two functions. Okay, so derivative of, we have to put a square bracket now because there are two functions and they have the normal bracket like this. So px plus q multiplied by r divided by x plus s. Now here you have to know the formula, that is the product rule. Okay, product rule. So which is nothing but derivative of uv is equal to the derivative of product of two functions is equal to first function multiplied by derivative of the second one plus second function multiplied by derivative of the first one. Okay, this is the formula. In short, we can write it as uv prime is equal to u multiplied by derivative of v is v prime plus v times derivative of u is u prime. Okay, so if we look at this function, this is function u and this is function. So what we will get here by the formula? So u, that is the first function, px plus q multiplied by derivative of the second function, so derivative of r by x plus s plus second function, that is r by x plus s into derivative of the first function, that is px plus q. Okay, so this is equal to now px plus q multi and derivative of this. What will be derivative of this? So square bracket I'll put. We can split the derivative to both the functions, so derivative of r by x plus derivative of constant s, okay, plus r by x plus s and then we can derivative both function derivative of px plus derivative of this constant q. Okay. So this will be px plus q. Now here r is a constant, so it can be taken out of the derivative. So r d by dx of 1 by x we will get. Okay, plus this is derivative of a constant s, that is 0, plus this is r by x plus s, and now here this is derivative of px. So p is a constant, we can take it out, and derivative of x, plus this is derivative of a constant which is 0. Okay, so this will be equal to px plus q, and then we have r. Now derivative of 1 by x is nothing but x raised to minus 1, so we will write it like this. Okay, plus 0, then plus r by x plus s multiplied by p times derivative of x is 1, you know this. Okay, and you have to know it. Okay, if you don't know, because this is a it occurs many times, derivative of x, so it is directly 1. Okay, you have to take. So now what you will get, this is equal to px plus q, and then r times derivative of x raised to minus 1. So this is nothing but we have to use the formula derivative of x raised to n, where n is any integer. What is the formula? N x raised to n minus 1. Okay, so we will get what, n is minus 1 here, so minus 1 times x raised to minus 1 minus 1, right? N is minus 1 here, this formula we are using. Okay, so then plus r by x plus s, and then derivative of multiplied by p multiplied by 1 is p. Okay, this will be equal to px plus q, then minus r x raised to minus 1 is minus 2. Okay, then plus r by x plus s multiplied by p. This will be nothing but px plus q, then minus r divided by x square. Okay, so we are writing x raised to minus 2 as 1 by x square, so we will get minus r by x square. Okay, plus this p multiplied by r by x plus sp. Okay, so now if we open the bracket, okay, multiply this, what will get, rpx divided by x square minus qr divided by x square plus pr divided by x plus sp square. Okay, so here what happens is 1x gets cancelled, so you will get minus rp divided by x, then minus qr divided by x square plus pr divided by x plus sp square. Okay, so you can see that minus rp divided by x, pr divided by x gets cancelled, so what you will get is sp square minus qr x square divided by x square. Okay, this is the derivative. Okay, so now let us go to the next one. Here we have what, product of two functions. Okay, we have to find the derivative of this. You know already the formula for product tool you have to use. So derivative of ax plus b multiplied by cx plus d square. So this is the function u and this is the function v. What is the formula? First function, that is ax plus b multiplied by derivative of the second one. okay, then plus second function multiplied by derivative of the first function, that is ax plus b. So this will be equal to what? Ax plus b, then derivative of cx, right, plus derivative of d square, okay, where d is a constant, so d square is a constant, okay, so d square is a constant, then plus cx plus d square. Now derivative of ax plus derivative of b, okay, that is a constant. So this will be equal to ax plus b multiplied by derivative of cx will be out, c will be out, multiplied by derivative of x is 1, okay, so c multiplied by 1 plus derivative of a constant d square, that is 0, plus cx plus d square, and then derivative of ax, a is the constant, it will come out, multiplied by derivative of x, that is 1, okay, plus derivative of b is 0, it is a constant, okay. So this will be equal to ax plus b multiplied by c plus c times x plus d square, bracket cx plus d square multiplied by a multiplied by 1 is a, okay. So you can keep the answer up to here, okay, this is the answer, okay, or you can multiply and get another answer, okay, that is the equivalent to the answer which is here. So that is the fourth problem. Now let us go to the fifth one. So fifth is what? U by v function, okay, so derivative of ax plus b divided by cx plus d, this is equal to what? So this is of the form u by v, okay, so formula is this, u by v means quotient rule we are using, okay, quotient rule. So u by v, the whole prime will be equal to v and then derivative of u minus u multiplied by derivative of v divided by v square, okay. So here this function is u and this function is v, so what will get? V cx plus d derivative of u plus u, that is ax plus b multiplied by derivative of v, that is cx plus d, and this is whole divided by cx plus d the whole square, okay. So this will be equal to cx plus d multiplied by derivative of ax is what? A, right, a is a constant, it will come out, derivative of x is 1, so a multiplied by 1 which is a, then plus derivative of constant b is 0. Oh, here this sign I have written it as addition, plus it is minus, okay. So minus bracket ax plus b multiplied by derivative of cx is c plus derivative of d is constant, so 0, derivative of d which is a constant is 0, okay, and then divided by cx plus d the whole square. So this will be equal to what? A plus 0 is a, then bracket cx plus d and minus c ax plus b, okay, and divided by cx plus a the whole square, right. So let us open the brackets in the numerator, so what we will get? Let us see. This will be equal to a times cx is a cx plus a times d is ad, and minus c times ax is minus a cx and minus c times b is minus cb, that is divided by cx plus dd whole square, right? So this will be equal to what? Now acx minus acx gets cancelled, you will get ad minus bc divided by cx plus dd whole square. Okay, so this is the answer, derivative of the given function. So that's it in the video. If you have liked my video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed my channel, please do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.